Alright, I never did update this, and like I said, this is a little board this is the board I wound up with, is that little one up there. So let me see here. Search. And it's X Special Audio.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay, you got kind of a automated girl type voice. So let me put something on here. And it's going to be one of my songs that I use for my videos because naturally I can't use somebody else's. So actually, it does quite well. I just put it on a regular 5-volt adapter. It stays on all the time. I don't know if you'll be able to see the venting that I did in here. Maybe you can. And it just basically goes right around that corner. Then put that to the back. You don't want that. So that's it in a nutshell. I already brought it out here, and I didn't even have time to really test it in my shop. But it just updates y'all what had happened. I'm gonna leave a link to this. Unlike the other one, was horrible, and it was really horrible. Don't waste your money on it. This one here, I do recommend it. It does work. It playing music, it will build up a tiny bit of heat, but other than that, that's it. Now we're going to shut this off, and it'll blink until somebody hooks on.
Device is ready to pair.
Then it's ready to pair with the next person that walks in here, whoever wants to listen to music. So thank you very much for watching. Hit like and subscribe. And I'm sorry I was late on this, but that's how it turned out, and that's what I did. And I think it plays pretty well. Thank you.